Thanks for visiting again. It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. Sadly, I injured myself. Instead of doing a workout video, I'll be doing a video on proper nutrition that I personally follow, and I do hope it will help you too. Just to make it simple, there are two major groups of food: mass-produced food and natural foods like fruits and veggies. Let me show you a couple of foods that I eat. Here are some fruits that I eat: banana, apple, pear, kiwi, grapes, and oranges. Very simply put, fruits are naturally sweet and satisfy your craving for sugar. Also, fruits have lots of fiber, which are good for your digestion, along with vitamins, which are good for your immune system. Here are some veggies that I eat: lettuce, cucumber, mushroom, pepper, potato, broccoli, avocado, carrots, and tomatoes. Veggies are healthier than fruits because they don't have as much sugar, and they also have fiber and vitamins. Here are some seeds that I eat: trail mix, pumpkin, flax, sunflower, and chia seeds. All you need is a little handful a day and you're good from there. Seeds are plant-based and are full of natural oil, which is good for your brain. Also, seeds are loaded with protein, which are awesome for your muscles. Here is some rice, bread, and pasta. Very simply put, this food is not very good for grown-ups, but for us children, it is okay to have in moderate amounts to help us grow. Here are the foods I try my best to avoid, like cereals, crackers, cookies, and candies. These foods are classified as junk food. They have a negative effect on your development and they make you gain weight. The last helpful tip for today is how to divide your plate properly. Think of your plate as a clock. Give me a second. Now draw it, and now bring the hand down to the 20. This small portion here is where you put the pasta, bread, and rice. The biggest portion is where you put the fruits and the veggies. And the last portion is where you put the foods that are high in protein, such as meats. Science shows that a meal like this is considered a balanced meal. Also, keep in mind that diet is an important part of staying in shape. Alright, that's it for today. Remember to check out my previous workout videos, and I'll see you next week with a new workout session. Later.